Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Whenever I have to use the smart field, I have to go to this and go down to the smart field. The interactive fill tool has a hotkey, and I think at one time I actually had a hotkey for the smart fill tool. But somebody asked me today, they wanted to make it S for smart fill, and that's pretty smart. But something's already being used as S, so they want to know how you can do that. So let's go to Tools, Options, and Customization. And he wants to use the letter S, so we'll hit it. Well, we already got this. Hit the letter S, and you see it gives me the Smart Drawing tool, which is pretty cool, but I never use it too. So it's right here. So let's go Tools, Options, Customization. And you're not going to know where it is in here, but you can go to the right here to the Smart Drawing tool, or it's actually Live Sketch, and see it's S. Take that and delete it. Say OK. Now go back to Tools, Options, Customization, and go down to the Smart Fill, and there it is right there, and type in S. Now it's not being used by anything, so we're going to hit sign in there. So I'm going to leave mine like that because I don't ever use the Live Drawing tool. But if I do, I can just go get it. I don't use it that much. But I use the Smart Fill tool all the time. So now what I want to do, I'm just going to hit S, and there we go. And I was fast on not changing the color, but you can make it any color you want. And then when you click off of it, you draw another item, and you want the Smart Drawing tool or Smart Fill tool, instead of going there, just hit S, and you've got it. So I almost thank that viewer or subscriber for asking that question, because I'm going to leave mine like that. And as always, what I would do after that is, after you make sure you've got everything, well, like here, I've changed my nudge. I'm going to change it back to 0.01. And then I'm going to go to Tools and save as default and have all these checked. Now, every time I turn on Corel or have to reboot Corel, that will be there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.